the only scalping strategy that you ever need to turn you $10 into 1 billion. What is going on, traders? Today's video we are diving into the world of scalping strategy that can help you achieve quick profits. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm by names of AJ Kelly, CEO at the Online Dives, where we dive deep into the world of the forex trading and help you unlock your true profits potential. So I'm going to teach you how to do your W15SB strategy analysis and how to mark your key levels to get a better entry, guys, which time frame to use and how to find your entry. So here are the rules what we have to be using when we are trading a W15SB strategy. Rule number one, always have to find a direction. We have to find the market direction or the price where is heading. Is it going up, going down, or going sideways? That is the rule number one. Rule number two, we have to find the key levels. We have to find the key levels. And rule number three, after finding our key levels, we take the trade. Are you getting the point, guys? So how to do our W15SB analysis, guys? First thing first, always we have to find our direction. When we are doing the market analysis, rule number one, we have to find our direction. That's what we call analysis. Analysis is the process whereby that help you, trader, to identify where the market is heading. So when we are starting making our top-down analysis, we always start our high time frame, and then we scale down to low time frame, by which means if you can start on H1, you can start on H1, and then we see what is H1 is doing, is making the high highs and high lows, and then we dive down into the 30 minutes. We see we can is it the market in 30 minutes doing the same thing or it is different, and then we scale down like to 15 minutes also to understand what is the market is heading. So far it is one thing to find the trending market. The market should be making the high highs and high lows, period. If it is not that, we find the vice versa of the uptrend. The market should be making the lower lows and lower highs. That is period. That is what we need to do our market analysis. That is only what we have to do. Only that. We don't need anything. Just to use our eyes, and we know the market can make this. That is a high. It makes low. It makes another high. That is what we have to identify. Are you getting the point? That is the only thing what we do, and then our analysis will be done. Are you getting the point? So if we identify the highs and the lows, are you getting the point? So we have to find the key levels. We have to find the key levels. Are you getting the point? So after identifying the key levels, then we will be good to go. How to mark our key levels when we are trading a W15SB strategy? So we have to find the market. Is it going up or is it going down? Lower low, lower high, and the lower low. So we get our tool. We get our what? We get our tool so that we can mark our key levels. When the market is making the high high and high low, what we have to do to wait the market, it do what? It make another low like this when it's coming to make a retest of this previous lower low. Are you getting? So by which means here market is going to find what? To make a lower high. So what we have to do after seeing that, we mark our key level here like this. So let me repeat here to get enough space. The market is making the lower low, lower high, and then a lower low here. So what we have to do to mark our key levels, so here we can mark this key level. Are you getting the point? After marking that, we wait the market to come back to this area. we wait the market to come back to this area. So if the market have come back to that area, we find another key level where we are going to be specific on. So this is our key level, guys. This, so that is what we need. After identifying that the lower low, when it have not yet been broken, we have to wait the market to come and break that low. Are you getting the point? We wait the market to come back and break that low. That is what we need. Are you getting the point? So we wait the market to come and break this low. So when the market is approaching to our low, or it's have reached to our low, what we have to do, we have to go to our entry time frame. Are you getting the point? We go to our entry time frame. When we reach an entry time frame, we wait the market to break this key level. We wait the market to break this key level. Immediately when it breaks, we take our entry. So the next step is W15SB strategy time frame. W15 strategy time frame. These are the time frames what we have to focus on. Are you getting the point? So time frame number 1 is M15. Minute 15 is going to help us for making analysis, and then we find the direction by using only minute 15. When we are using minute 15, we open the chart directly on minute 15 to identify two things: whether the market is going up or is going down. It should be trading, period. This strategy not working on what? On consolidation. If you find the market is making the equal lows and equal highs, don't trade. Just leave the chart or open another pair. So minute 15 is going to be our direction. So as the market is making the high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. And then minute 5 is going to be for our identifying the key levels. Are you getting the point? Identifying the key levels, which means if the minute 15 is showing us high highs and high lows, that is the direction. We're diving into the minute 5 to find the high, the swings, which are swings. How to identify the swings? By which means, if you are in minute 15, you are going to be seeing the market is making the high high, high low, high high. So when we come to key level time frame, that is 5 minutes, we have to see that the market is making the high highs, high low, high highs, high low, high highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. Are you getting? So we have to identify the swing. So you can mark your key levels or within the 15 minutes and you drop down, or maybe you mark them or in 5 minutes by using the swing lows and swing highs, or swing highs and swing lows of the 5 minutes time frame. Right, have you got it? Very well. So now another time frame is going to be our minute 1. Minute 1, it is for entry time frame. So the overall, the market, we have find that it's making the high highs, high low, high highs, and then we're diving into our 5 minutes. After reaching on our 5 minutes, guys, we mark this level, we mark this key level. Are you getting the point? We wait the market to come back to this key level. When the market comes back at that key level, we also mark this previous high like that. So if after marking the previous high like that, we wait the market to move from here and then to come to this key level. When the market reached in that key level, we shift to 5 minutes, to M5. When we go in 5 minutes, we have to wait the exactly what we want to see, and then we execute. Are you getting the point? That is what we need. So let us go to the next level, guys. How to find the W15 SB entries. So you can do your market analysis. You mark your zones or your entries or support and resistance, whatever you can call it. After marking them, the problem comes how to execute. So here how we execute, we have identified that the market is making the high low, the high. Are you getting the point? We have to wait the market come back to make a lower low. When the market is coming to make a lower low, we have to mark our key zone. We have to mark our key zone. So here this is our key level here. Are you getting the point? We mark from the wick of the candle up to the body of the candle, and then we extend to right side, and we wait the market. If the market does all what you have to does here, we don't care about it. The only thing we care, we wait the market to come and tap this area. When the market taps that area, we go to 5 minutes, guys. We go to 5 minutes or M1, 5 minutes or minute 1. So we see when the market is on our key level, we wait one thing. We wait one thing to execute the market. Where are we heading? We are not going to bring the market down. We are taking the market upward. Are you getting the point? We are looking for the buys. So when the market reaches here, we wait the market to break in 5 minutes or 1 minute. Choose one. 5 minutes or 1 minute. Are you getting the point? So the 5-minute candlestick pattern should be break here. If it break, are you getting the point? That is 5-minute candlestick pattern should be breaking and then close above of our key level. When the price close above of this, whether it is M1 or whether it is M5, exactly we use market execution. Exactly after 5 minutes close or 1 minute close, the candle should be closing like this. Are you getting the point? This is our candle. We have a wick here and we have also a little wick up. But if it close, this is a candle and then the big wick up and then the small wick down, don't take the trade. At least the candle should close 80% of the body should be above your key level, guys. So we're marking our key levels. We don't going to use the horizontal. We are not going to use this tool. How do you call it? Comment it below. How do you call that tool? This a box tool. We are not going to use that. We are going to use a horizontal lines, guys. We mark exactly at the wicks of this high which we are targeting. We mark at exactly at the wick of this key level. The wicks, I mean like this is a candle, this is a wick. So we get our horizontal line, we mark this wick, we put there, we wait the market to come and break that. The moment if it breaks that, we wait the candlestick to close above like that. Are you getting the point? If the market closes like that, exactly we execute, or it is a buy or it is a sell. That is only what we need, and then we take the market. What to do? So where to put your stop loss? You stop loss exactly that 5 candle which have broken. It is your stop loss behind the below there. You put your stop loss. So where to take the profit? You have to make 2 times of this candle which have broke your structure. You measure exactly the size from the wick, from where you put the stop loss, and from where you executed the market, the distance. You use this box tool to measure your distance, and then you make 2 times. You make 2 times of that. You make 2 times of this box, but which means we'll be risking 1 here. If the market come against us, we will lose $10. If the market goes on our direction, we will make $20. Period. So that is a theory examples. I'm trying to create a base, and then you understand how the strategy works. That is how W15SB strategy how it works. It's high powerful strategy. This is the only strategy what you need. So let us diving into the chart, and I show you 2 to 3 examples, and then I will be closing this video, guys. All right, we are on the live chart at this moment, and we are in H1. What we have to do to go in our analysis time frame, as well I told you our analysis time frame, it is M15 is our market analysis, and then M5 it is our key levels, and M1 it is our refined entry time frame. And then we take we take entries. We can take the entries within 5 minutes and the refining time frame on 1 minute. All of those 2 time frames, they can work very well. So let us go to our market analysis time frame, guys. So right, we are on our analysis time frame. We can see, if we try to see very well, we can see that the market it have been coming from down, making the high low, high low. That is what we need. By which means here we could take a trade, there we take a trade, that we take a trade, and there we take a trade. Are you getting the point? All of those could be the trading, and then the market made a reversal, and then we can see we started a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we have come to make a new lower high, and then we continue down. That is what we need. By which means we are no longer focusing on the past. Now we are focusing on the present, what is taking the place. This is only what we need. So we have to get our horizontal tool. We are not going to use this box tool. Comment the section. I told you, I have forgotten the name of this tool, how we call it. Drop down in the comments there, so that we can remind me. How do we call, what is the name of this box? Is it a triangular? What is the name? So let us back to the point, and then we get our horizontal tool to mark our level, guys. To mark our level, we are going to get this horizontal tool, and then we mark our key levels from the week, exactly like this. I have zoomed out. I think you can see the price, how it is moving. Are you getting the point? Do you see that? That is how we mark it, and then we are done. We have to wait the market to come and break this zone and break this key level. If they break that key level, and then we will bring the market down. That is all what we need. We have to wait. If the market goes up, we don't care. If the status goes up and then make high, come back and make a low, fine. And then we wait, they break this to confirm us that the market now is trending up. So it immediately starts coming down, and then we mark our previous lower high. We wait it comes to break it, and then we execute. Are you getting the point? So we are going to take some examples around here, and then I show you what was happening and what you could take some entries around this side. So we are going to shift this our horizontal line, and then we mark. So let us say that the market, it was around this area. Are you getting the point? It was around here. We saw that the market make the low, come and make high, and then breaks, come and make this low. Are you getting? So we're expecting it is going to break again. Are you getting the point? Let us say that the market was still around this area. How could you catch the entry from here? Are you getting the point? So you could catch entry from here. So another thing, I want you to tell you something before we go much further. So if the minute 15 makes a high with same candles, if the red candle appears, even if it is one candle, that will be your key level. For example, here we had a low, we had a high, and then we had a low here. Are you getting them? The market comes back to what? To make a retest here. So this could be your key level here. Any reversal candle you see in minute 15, it is your key level. Whether they are 2, whether they are 3, or whether it is a whole swing low. Are you getting? Every pullback, it is your key zone. So let us say that let us use this key zone here. That was our key zone. We wait the market to break that, and then we sell. Are you getting the point? Because the market is making the high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Are you getting the point? So if it breaks above, we don't care. If it breaks down, we sell. Are you getting the point? So we can dive deep into into the minute 5. Let's just see what happened around here in M5. Are you getting the point? So you can see clearly that the market, when making the high, the lower low, come and making the lower high, come back and makes a pullback to come and retest this zone, and it was our key level. When we marked that key level, we're diving into 5 minutes. Here now we are waiting to take the entry in 5 minutes or in 1 minute, guys, because we have already identifying our key level, guys. So what we have to do to wait, you can see the 50% of the candle, it have closed below around here. That's what I'm telling you exactly. This could be your sell entry, are after this M5 close, and then your stop loss about this candle, guys, and then we make 2 times of this candle to take our profits. So if we squeeze down and then we try to get the distance before our entry, like this was like that way. So we are trying to get our stop loss, could be there above entry, exactly here. After that candle close, and then we duplicate this thing 2 times. As is not duplicating, what happened? Let me first duplicate it here like this. It's not duplicating like the way how I needed, so let us use it as it is. So you can see here that this was a distance from our entry, and then the stop loss. Stop loss should be above of this wick, which have broken out our zone. And then this is a TP1. You can see the TP1 hit, and then if you move in front, and you can see that the TP2 also hit. Are you getting the point? That is the way how you can scalp any kind of asset unit. You will come back for some times, and then you give a thumbs up for this video to help you make a massive profits by starting with you $10. So you have to find a best broker, so that who will give you the minimum deposit of $10, and then you start trading. Are you getting the point? And then he should be giving you a massive and good tight spread. Are you getting? If we don't get a good tight spread, so you will not get what you need. And you can see, guys, this strategy gives you a lot of executions, guys, a lot of executions. So if you have got value from this video, make sure to give this a thumbs up, go on and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to watch that next video. See you to the next episode. Peace. And before we go, guys, before you exit, if you have any questions, make sure you leave them to the comment section, so that we can talk, or so that I can reply very well. That is the only way how we can talk. And if you have a problem big than a question, you want to talk to me directly, my contacts, they are there in the description below, so that you can get my WhatsApp number directly, and then we'll be chilling. See you to the next episode. God bless in your trading journey, guys. Peace.